There's definitely just air like in the back of my cheek.
Try it. Here, you try it.
The Donald Duck noise, or?
Well, I don't know. Yeah, the Donald Duck noise.
You're picking.
It's like you vomited in your mouth. Here, go ahead.
I don't even want that to be documented right now.
It's serious stuff.
You sound like Little Big Planet when you squish.
I don't know.
I don't make noises.
Try again.
The Donald Duck noise. I'm just gonna like throw up again. You're not even videotaping.
Well, this thing has to hold.
I need to like practice, you know, like. All right.
It's like learning how to whistle. You know.
I'm just gonna throw up again. I can't even do it. I can't get the air pocket. What up?
We need to. Wait, you can't really like set this thing up anywhere. Like it doesn't really have like.
No.
Wait, yeah, it does. It has tripodal features.
Tripod and all?
No, tripodal.
Trepidation.
You're totally out of shot.
Yeah, no, you're not at any.
No, wait. Go ahead.
No. It's not it.
No.
No.
Give us some tips, please.
Yeah. We're really struggling over here.
Hard to say. I always did. You just get a little bit of air, not a whole lot.
A little bit?
Yeah, right on your side of your cheek. And then you have to sort of.
I just sound like I'm taking a dump or something. I'm like, because I'm trying to force it out.
It's hard to pronunciate certain letters in duck talk.
Do you use your voice at all, or is it just?
You can do like the.
You don't use your vocal cords.
So it's just. I think I can use my right better.
I'm actually, now that you mention it, I'm a left duck talker.
I'll use the left duck.
Yeah. I think there's something like that, though. If you're right dominant, don't you do things like left dominant on your head? Or vice versa?
Well, there's a thing called contralateralization, which is where like the right side of your brain works the left side of your body, and vice versa.
I just remember watching Sesame Street the one time, and when Big Bird was sleeping, that was the noise he made. It was like.
Oh my word.
I
the master
think
of
we
all
should stop recording now.